الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله.
This is chapter number 5, rocks and minerals. So in rocks and minerals we will study first of all about minerals. The definition of mineral is it is the naturally occurring inorganic element or a compound with specific physical and chemical properties. Minerals are the ingredients of rocks, or rocks are made up of minerals. A rock is a solid material made up of group of different minerals. Rocks are generally not made up of exact structures. Where are they found in the rocks? So rocks are made up of minerals. Now the next is the scientists. How many kind of mineral scientists found? There are total 3,000 kind of minerals. Now let us talk about the uses of minerals. So in the construction and in jewelry making, in construction we can use quartz, computer chips, and clock and watches. Now there are three types of rocks. Number one is igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and the last one is metamorphic rock. Igneous rocks are formed by volcanoes. When magma cools and harden, igneous rocks form. Igneous rock is also formed from lava. When the volcanoes erupt, it throws out hot molten magma or lava. This magma cools down and hardens. This hardens the magma or lava is called igneous rocks. Hundreds of years takes to cool down the magma. Now the example of this is granite. The texture of igneous rocks formed by magma are rough or coarse. Now these are some examples of igneous rock: pumice, granite, obsidian, and basalt. Weathering take important part when a rock is broken down into smaller pieces by wind, rain, or moving water. When the pieces of rocks are carried away, it is called erosion. Now sedimentary rock. Sediments means it can be pieces of rocks, minerals, bits of plants, shells. A sedimentary rock or river carries a lot of small pieces of rocks and minerals to a larger body of water. These pieces settle at the bottom, and over a long period of time they form into solid rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks are limestone, chalk, sandstone, shale, etc. Next are the metamorphic rocks. Temperature below the earth's surface is high or low, high, and the pressure below the earth's surface is high or low, high. Metamorphic rocks are formed by a great heat and pressure. They are generally found inside the earth crust where there is enough heat and pressure to form the rocks. Examples of metamorphic rocks include marble, sheet, and here in this picture granite is converted into gneiss. Granite is igneous rock, and metamorphic it changes into metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock, the minerals get rearranged and pressed into thin layers. These layers are called bands. Bands may be straight or wavy. Rocks are constantly changing their shape and form. It takes millions of years for rock to change. Here is an example of rock cycle describing how a rock can change from igneous sedimentary to metamorphic over time. Lava or magma is sent to the earth's surface by a volcano. It cools and forms igneous rock. Next, a feather or a river will slowly break up these rocks into small pieces. Small pieces settle at bottom and harden over years. It is hard and impermeable, and this is used to step road, buildings, schools, as it doesn't wear away easily. So it is used for making sticks and chalk to write on blackboard. Now the next mineral is shale. It is used to make bricks and as well as pottery. Next mineral is slate. It is hard and impermeable. This slate is used to make tables and wires because it split easily into thin sheets. Next is the marble. Marble is attractive texture and color, can be cut and polished. Now the uses of marble is to make floor and wall tiles and as well as statues.